class. Welcome to day 5 of your art activism unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal is to create an artwork that raises awareness about a social issue or problem that's occurring in today's world. And today you're just going to continue to build on your project, make sure you have strong craftsmanship with your colors, make sure you're adding any supporting details that can further enhance your message and your artwork and convey that to the viewer clearly. Your essential question is, how does collaboration expand the creative process? And collaboration is working with more than one person on a project, working with 2 people or more. And when you have more than one person to plan something with, you get different perspectives, different ideas and insights to help build the idea. And even after the initial creative process is complete, the physical process of creating the artwork is also helpful because you have another set of hands to make the artwork with you. So we need to really understand the learning goal and essential question as the learning log is coming up in the coming class. So next class we need to make sure you know how to answer that question and that you know all the vocabulary. And with the vocabulary, the last word in our list is collaboration. We're going to be talking about that today. So for your task list, the first thing you want to do is watch the collaboration video. That will help with today's entrance ticket questions. Please watch that. It's a short video. Then you're going to answer the following questions for your day 5 entrance ticket. You will answer, what is collaboration? And then, how can artists collaborate on a work of art? What is it that we actually do? Even though I basically just discussed that earlier in this video, that will also be discussed in the collaboration video. So once you've watched the video, you've done your entrance ticket. Lastly, you'll just continue working on your final drawing. Just keep building, like I said, on those colors, those details. Make sure you're filling the whole space of the paper, including the background, and just submit a photo of today's work to your day 5 student progress. The project is due in the next class, so please make sure you're working towards finishing that in time. Make sure your social issue is clear to the viewer with clear subjects and text if you think words are needed. And then please make sure, again, you are coloring your final project with either oil pastels or colored pencils. I'm going to leave that up to you to choose what material you want to use. All right, that's all I have. I will be talking to you all shortly in the collaboration video, and I will see you all soon. All right, bye guys.